Hello, dear students. How are you? I hope you are well by the grace of Almighty. I am also fine. At first, I introduce myself again. I am Poppy Mondal, head teacher, Kobirozbari Government Primary School, Nazirpur, Pirozpur. Dear students, welcome to all of you on behalf of Akash Amar Pathshala Online School, Madaripur. Dear viewers, honorable teachers, and dear guardians who are watching me, all of you are welcome. Today I have come to teach you the student of grade 5 English subject. So dear students, get ready your English book, an exercise book and a pen, and sit down in front of me. Dear students, let's have a look. Again I welcome Lesson Identity, Class 5, Subject English, Unit 25, Lesson 2 to 3. Dear students, before going to start our today's topics, I would like to do something. Are you agree? Let's start. Let's sing a song all together.
Cocks crow in the morning to tell us to rise, and he who lies late will never be wise. For early to bed and early to rise is a way to be healthy and wealthy and wise.
Thank you, dear students. I hope you enjoyed the song very much. Dear students, previous day, what you have learned? Can you remember? Okay. Well, you have learned why does the frog croak? Why does the frog croak? Long time ago, Blaster named a frog had a beautiful voice. All other animals came to hear him. All other animals wanted to get his voice, but the frog did not agree to get him his voice. He told, "This voice is mine. I don't share with anyone." Dear students, today we are read about the story lesson 2 to 3. Dear students, what do you see in the picture? The animals. Okay, thank you very much. He has long hair, long ear, long ear. He has long ear. Okay. Hair. Before you have read the hare and the tortoise, This is hare. Another name rabbit. Another name rabbit. What do you see in the picture? You see some animals. What are they? They are talking to each other. You can see they are talking to each other. What are they? Can you guess? Fox. It may be fox. And this is hare or rabbit. And this is lizard. And this is rat. They are talking to each other. A rabbit, a fox, and a lizard. Again, dear students, what do you see in the picture? You can see a frog was sleeping. This is a lizard. This is a rabbit is holding a glass jar. This is rat and this is fox. What are they doing? They are making a plan. Okay, dear students, our today's topic is why does the frog croak? One morning from glass jar. Before going to read the topics, let's introduce some new words and their meaning. Surely, without any doubt, নিঃসন্দেহে, without any doubt, বাংলা meaning নিশ্চিত, নিঃসন্দেহে. Agree, to have the same opinion about something as someone else. Decide, to take some decision. Midnight, 12 o'clock at night. Quietly, without making some sound. Jar, a round glass container with a wide lid used for storing food. কাচের পাত্র. Dear students, write down these words and their meaning your exercise book. Rabbit, a common small animal with long ears and soft fur that lives in a hole in the ground. Rabbit, another name hare. Bangla meaning খরগোশ. Lizard, a type of reptile with rough skin, 4 legs and a long tail. Tick-ticky. Fox, a wild animal like a dog with reddish brown fur, a pointed face and a thin tail. Coccygeal. Rat, an animal that looks like a large mouse with a long tail. Idur. Dear students, have you finished your writing? You have finished. Dear students, open your English book page at 99. I read out the text. You listen carefully and under the lines and put your finger under the lines. One morning Moxie the rabbit and Plug the lizard talked to the fox and the rat. Bluster has such a big, beautiful voice. Surely he can share it with us, said Moxie. They agreed. Bluster should share his voice with them. It was such a big voice. Each animal could have just a small piece of it. Bluster could share his voice with each animal. The animals talked and talked. Late into the afternoon, they made a plan to take Bluster's voice. They decided not to tell the birds, but they didn't have to tell them. The birds were sitting in the tree and they heard the animals' plan. At midnight, Pluck and Moxie quietly went to Bluster's home. Bluster was sleeping in his bed, and without making a sound, they took his voice. They put it into a glass jar. Dear students, I read out the text again. You listen carefully. One morning, Moxie the rabbit and Plug the lizard talked to the fox and the rat. Bluster had such a big, beautiful voice. Surely he can share it with us, said Moxie. They agreed. Bluster should share his voice with them. It was such a big voice. Each animal could have just a small piece of it. Bluster could share his voice with each animal. The animals talked and talked. Late into the afternoon, they made a plan to take Bluster's voice. They decided not to tell the birds, but they didn't have to tell them. The birds were sitting in the tree and they heard the animals' plan. At midnight, Pluck and Moxie quietly went to Bluster's home. Bluster was sleeping in his bed, and without making a sound, they took his voice. They put it into a glass jar. Dear students, now I read the text with Bangla meaning. On morning, একদিন সকালে Moxie the rabbit and Plug the lizard talked to the fox and the rat. Moxie নামে রেবিট, Moxie নামে খরগোশ এবং টিকটিকি প্লাগ খেকশিয়াল এবং ইঁদুরের সাথে কথা বলছিল। Bluster had such a big, beautiful voice. ব্লাস্টারের সুন্দর জোরালো কণ্ঠস্বর আছে। শিওরলি হি ক্যান শেয়ার ইট উইথ আস। অবশ্যই সে এটা আমাদেরকে ভাগাভাগি করে দিতে পারে। সেড Moxie বলল। দে গ্রিড, তারা সম্মত হলো। ব্লাস্টার শুড শেয়ার হিজ ভয়েস উইথ দেম। ব্লাস্টারের উচিত তাদের সাথে তার কণ্ঠস্বর ভাগাভাগি করে নেয়া। ইট ওয়াজ সাচ আ বিগ ভয়েস, এটা ছিল জোরালো কণ্ঠস্বর। ইচ অ্যানিম্যাল কুড হ্যাভ জাস্ট আ স্মল পিস অফ ইট। প্রত্যেক প্রাণী এর এক অংশ, ছোট্ট অংশ পেতে পারে। ব্লাস্টার কুড শেয়ার হিজ ভয়েস উইথ ইচ অ্যানিম্যাল। ব্লাস্টারের উচিত তার কণ্ঠস্বর প্রত্যেক প্রাণীকে ভাগ করে দেয়া। দ্য অ্যানিম্যালস টকড অ্যান্ড টক লেট ইন্টু দ্য আফটারনুন। বিকাল পর্যন্ত প্রাণীরা বলতে লাগলো। দে মেড আ প্ল্যান টু টেক ব্লাস্টার ভয়েস। তারা একটা পরিকল্পনা করলো ব্লাস্টারের কণ্ঠস্বর নেওয়ার জন্য। দে ডিসাইডেড নট টু টেল দ্য বার্ডস। তারা সিদ্ধান্ত করলো যে পাখিদেরকে বলবে না। বাট দে ডিডন্ট হ্যাভ টু টেল, কিন্তু তাদেরকে সেটা বলতে হয়নি। দ্য বার্ডস আর সিটিং ইন দ্য ট্রি, পাখিরা গাছের উপর বসেছিল। অ্যান্ড দে হার্ড দ্য অ্যানিমালস প্ল্যান, এবং তারা প্রাণীদের পরিকল্পনা শুনেছিল। অ্যাট মিডনাইট, মধ্যরাতে, প্লাক অ্যান্ড মক্সি কোয়াইটলি ওয়েন্ট টু ব্লাস্টার্স হোম। প্লাক অ্যান্ড মক্সি কোনো শব্দ না করে ব্লাস্টারের বাড়িতে গেল। ব্লাস্টার ওয়াজ স্লিপিং ইন হিজ বেড, ব্লাস্টার তার বিছানায় ঘুমাইতেছিল। অ্যান্ড উইদাউট মেকিং আ সাউন্ড, কোনো শব্দ না করে, দে টুক হিজ ভয়েস, তারা তার কণ্ঠস্বর নিল। দে পুট ইট ইনটু আ গ্লাস জার, তারা সেটা একটা কাচের পাত্রে রাখল। ডিয়ার স্টুডেন্টস, আই হোপ ইউ all of you have understand the text. Dear students, match the words of column A with their similar meaning of column B. Agree, midnight, quietly, morning, search. Agree, to have the same opinion with somebody. Midnight, at the dead of night. Quietly, making very little noise. Morning, the early part of a day. Search, to seek for something. Dear students, write down the words and their meaning, similar meaning, on your exercise book. I hope you have finished. Dear students, write down the sentences A, B, C, D, E. Here you can see some words. You have to put the appropriate, you have to fill in the blanks with appropriate words. Fill in the gaps with the best words from the box. Find the information in the text. Moxie was a what words? We'll have Moxie was a rabbit. Okay, you are correct. Thank you very much. Pluck and Moxie talked to the fox and rat. You have heard previous slide. Blaster had a big and beautiful voice. The animals were tired from searching the voice. Pluck and Moxie took the jar outside. Dear students, write down the answers to the questions from the screen. Which animals were talking in the morning? Which animals were talking in the morning? What did the animals plan to do? What did the animals want Blaster to share with them? How did the birds come to know of their plan? First, which animal were talking in the morning? I hope all of you have answered these questions. Moxie the rabbits and Pluck the lizard were talking in the forest. What did the animals plan to do? The animals planned to take Blaster's voice. Okay, you are correct. What did the animals want Blaster to share with them? The animals wanted Blaster to share his voice with them. How did the birds come to know of their plan? The birds were sitting in the tree and they heard the animals plan. Thus they come to know of it. Who stole Bluster's voice? Moxie and Pluck stole Bluster's voice. Where did they put Bluster's voice? Okay, they put Bluster's voice into a glass jar. Dear students, match your answers from this screen. Dear students, now the time to give you a homework. Write a short composition on the planning of taking Bluster's voice in at least 5 sentences. You have to write a short composition about the planning of taking Bluster's voice in your home. When you have finished your writing, you can inbox me, or when your school will open, you will show your school teacher. Dear students, thank you. Stay safe, stay home. No more today. Bye bye. Happy learning.